Sticking these nail vinyls is a struggle. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing this gradient black V nail art. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel to support me. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Now back to the tutorial. Before doing gradient on nails, first apply glue on the cuticle areas as a barrier so that we will end up with less mess to clean. Then on a cosmetic sponge, apply red and green color nail polish and dab it on your nails. And for the maximum opacity, repeat this process for at least 2 to 3 times. And let it dry completely, and then stick this V-shaped nail vinyl on your nails. Also put these small pieces of tape on the tip part of your nails as I'm doing in the video, and then paint the exposed area with black color nail polish and peel the tape before the nail polish dries. And let it dry for a couple of minutes. Now apply a generous amount of top coat to seal in your design. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.